before I start with urbanization, I will give a short explanation and introduction what is migration and how it helps to create the built-up area, and what are the impacts of the urbanization, what are the major causes for the urbanization, and what is natural increase of population and rural to urban migration, how it happens. So they, and also for the impact of the urbanization in our society. So before I start with the urbanization, you have to gain a small idea what are the three major countries or the three major base of our countries which are considered as a case study. So what are those? First one, developed country. You have to know about that. Okay, so developed country. Developed countries means the better amenities and the job sectors and the I mean the studies background is very high accumulated in that place. Okay, so what is the examples of a developed country? Is USA, I mean America, UK, Australia. Okay, so these are the major countries where the job sectors, I mean the highly IT hub or the I mean the quaternary sectors of economy are highly accumulated in that place. Okay, so the first one is the developed country, next one is the developing country. Developing country means India, where we all live. India, not only India and Sri Lanka. These are the major countries which are including the developing country. So what are the major features including the developing country? The population rate is very high in that part of region. Not only population but the information technology, I mean the IT technology or the economic sectors or the economic condition or the social and cultural development. It's not so high-fi, but it's was in the intermediate portion. From the developed country and the less developed, it's an intermediate portion. I mean, it's the central position. Okay, so India, and number third is the less developed country. You know that what are the major characteristics of the less developed country, because the birth rate is very high in that portion. Okay, so major examples of the less developed country, we all know that the Pakistan and Bangladesh and Nigeria, Ghana. These are the several small places which are included in Africa. These are also including that portion. So Pakistan, Bangladesh, Ghana and Nigeria. So these are the major places which are included in that type of country. So you have to remember, before we start the urbanization, you have to gain knowledge about what are the major countries in geographical phenomena. So these are the major three countries. Okay, so on the basis of that, I mean the less developed country, the developing country and the less developed country, you have to gain knowledge about the urbanization process, how it happens and how it affects the particular places. Okay, so we start from the number A point or the number A factors. I just need to wait. What are the major factors? So what are the major factors? First one is the built up area. What is built up area? What is built up area? Built up area is an area where the basic amenities, you know that what is the meaning of the amenities? Meaning of the amenities is the services which we give from the society. I mean, you live in a particular Bazroni area, right? I'll just give a short example. You live in a Bazroni area. What are the major service you will give from the society? Like you give electricity, 24 hours electricity, 24 hours water service, transport facilities. These are the facilities which are accumulated in a particular area. So it is mainly associated with the services. So So what are the services? Like different type of services like transport facilities, water facilities, the electricity facilities, the educational background facilities, the job sectors. These all components are included in that in this services. So it is mainly associated with the built up area. So if you consider in developed country as a built up area, the condition of the particular place is very high because we know that the resource accumulation, the literacy rate is very high in that portion. So the as well as the built up area is very highly developed in developing country. Okay, so next comes the developing country. So what about the condition in the built up area in a particular that part? So in particular, if you consider the developing country as a built up area, so the major the population density is very high. So I will just give a short knowledge what is built up area and how it's determined the developing country, because we live in a developing country which is not so developed and not so much I mean the condition is not so low also. It's an intermediate portion. So just consider this is a particular area. Okay, this is the area. So this area is divided into different parts which is known as the block, right? So I just make a grid, and this is 1, 2, 3,